Hopefully y'all doing well. A follower reached out and asked me, they're doing their own Google ads, and in the good old days, Google has a metric called average position. That way you can aim for certain positions on your Google ad. But without average position being reported now, what do you do? So let me go over a couple things with you guys. It's actually not that different. So these days, if you look at this example here, that Google, sometimes the ads actually do not appear above organic anymore. Sometimes when you type in type in a keyword, the ads actually appear below organic sometimes. So if you want your ads to be appearing above organic, Google has a couple metrics here. One is just called top impression share. Of course, you want your ads to be in the top positions, right? At least showing above organic. And if you want to be bidding on position 1, there's absolute top. So what this means is it's no longer that accurate to have average position, because you could be in position 1 where your ads still show below organic. And that's irrelevant. That means nobody see your ads anyways because they're all the way down, and that could be position 1. So that's why Google came out with a new metric is, right, top impression share and absolute top. Those are more critical these days. So what this means is if you want to be bidding on position 1, you look at absolute top, right? So for example, over here, this account, we turn on impression top and impression absolute top. So this metric here means 95% of the time the ads appear above organic. That means somehow, somewhere, the ads appear either in position 1, 2, 3, or sometimes number 4. Right? There's total of 4 ads right at the top. But this means that, hey, this campaign is running well because the ads do appear above organic. It's either position 1, 2, 3, or 4. And if we want to aim for position 1, that's just the metric here is the absolute top. 50% of the time, the ads appear on position 1. The other 50%, it could be 2, 3, or 4. But by being combination of these, it's very safe to say that this overall campaign, 50% of the time it's showing in position 1, and most likely 50% of the time it's showing in position 2. Okay, so it's getting a little more confusing with Google Ads, getting a little more complicated with the average position, but these are the 2 metrics we look at to dial in the campaign. It's impression top. You definitely want to make sure most of your ads is appearing above organic, or else nobody sees it. And you further dial in to make sure if you want to aim for position 1 or 2 or 3, there's the other metrics we look at. The impression absolute top. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.